In this video, I'll show you guys how to fix Steam problem of no internet connection. So if you use SteamTools and you got some apps right there in your library, then you want to install the program files, but eventually this problem appears, no internet connection. The method I'll show you guys is kind of temporary until things are normal again to their normal state. Anyways, actually this method is not my personal method. I've just taken it from a Discord server that has something to do with SteamTools and all this talking. So I've just wanted to share it with you. So anyways, you just go ahead and open your Windows PowerShell and then you paste this command right here. You can zoom out to see it and you follow some instructions. If they ask you about your Steam app ID, you gotta make sure that you give them or you enter the exact Steam app ID that exists in Steam itself, because that's how SteamTools work. Anyways, I'm gonna leave you guys with a small video example where you can actually understand the process.